As you watch me turning the pivot pin, I have to admit a problem. When the crank and cylinder are put into the base, the parts are not lining up. The cylinder has a gap towards the port end, the outside of the block, and the crank in the opposite direction, again to the outside of the block. What did I do wrong? And that's what learning is all about. All that fancy stuff I did with putting the base into the lathe, lining up to drill those holes, I'm missing one tool, a set of parallels. Because I didn't turn the parts square in the jaws, I've got those gaps. That's where I have to take and remill the base. So what did I do to correct this deficiency? Very simple. I believe in the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. That's exactly what I did. I kept it simple. Once I turned the new base, I marked out the location for all of the drilling on the base and went over, trammeled my drill press, made sure that the base was square, and drilled it on the drill press. Voila! All the holes are square, all the parts are lining up together, so now I have the cylinder, the crank are in straight, and it'll be easy to lap the cylinder and complete the cylinder piece by drilling the hole for the cylinder itself. Oh, that's what I like. 12 to go. 12 to go. 3. Yeah, it's kind of cute when I turn around and get those numbers getting right down in there. Simple little formula I found. I just divide what I have left to go by 4, and that's the number I put in. Usually works out not bad. I can finish up to within half a thousandths with the file if I need to. I'd like to thank my friends at United Tool for supplying me with their Sawa catalog so I can have a look and see the tools that I still need to get. The milling attachment for my lathe, that'll be nice. I don't need to do a lot of milling, just the odd piece. And I really like the way Baseline 46 shows his milling attachment. There's a guy you should be looking into as well. He does some of the most beautiful work with a very simple little Optima lathe. He's taught me a bit too. That's what these videos are all about. I'm learning, and I hopefully... Oh, I'll let myself talk on the other channel.
Did a piece the other day where he was testing out some of these inserts. I just learned that these inserts are 10 times the tool that the brazed on carbides are. Here I'm taking 3, maybe 4 thousandths off of this shaft, getting perfect results. Nice clean cutting. I could never do that with the carbides. And yet I use carbides all the time on my CNC machine, on my CNC router. Let's see where we're at right now. 5 and a half, 4.5. Not bad. I'm going to take another 4.5. Take another one just to clean up this edge. See what happens. Like I was saying about the inserts, they cost the same as this entire tool. But what it comes down to is they last a lot longer. The finish is much better. And if I want to take 1 or 2 thousandths off the project, I can do that now. So from now on, I'm staying with the inserts. Maybe get myself a quick change tool post for this machine. I don't think that's in the works right away. It's not important. The milling attachment is. I've got some material that I could start to use, but I'm just looking at this, it might be too small.
That's it for part 5. In part 6, we will drill and ream the cylinder. From Alberta Crafters, my name is John. See you next time.